surrounded by love. The quilt is dedicated to Will and Peggy Edmonds. All of the DMMC family embraces you both with love and thankfulness for all you have done in your 25 years of service here. And with endless thanks, we present this quilt to you. The houses on the quilt represent all of the families and individuals whose lives you have touched. Multiple strips of fabric and multiple colors hint at the quantity and variety of people you have affected and who love you for your effect. The fruit is representative of all the seeds you have planted in the youth of this church and community. So many children have grown up knowing God's love because of you. The birds are for your songs and for the sacred music that fills our lives every Sunday. We thank God for your musical gifts. And at the center, God's house, a place where you have lived all of your lives, and a place you taught us to love and care for, a place where we aspire to reside. Thank you, Will and Peggy. May the warmth of this quilt remind you that you are always surrounded by the warmth of God's love and our love.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Amen.
Amen.
That's really beautiful. I can't. And now I'm not looking at it.